Caton, also known as Easy Mike, had been talking about Brazil, so I wanted to take a look at Brazil. We had some ETFs. We've done some analysis of a variety of Brazil ETFs before, so you can access our previous analysis of some of these Brazilian ETFs via the links to the videos in our notes. The one leveraged ETF long Brazil that we had in our research sheet that I moved up to our main research sheet is BRZU. Also added a couple new ones to our research sheet. So these are both long Brazil. I also had seen this one pop up as a multiple bottom in FINVIZ on 11.4. So again, a couple indicators that Brazil might be a country in the global index we want to take a look at. Also, this BRF came up as a double bottom in FINVIZ. So a lot of indicators look like maybe Brazil was bottoming out. We wanted to do a quick comparison of these new ETFs to the ones we already had. So if we go to the research sheet in our ETFs Google sheet, we go to Brazil. We've got one short, as you can see, on Brazil, number of longs on Brazil, so BRAZ, BRF, BRZU, again, leverage long, typical one, EWZ, it's iShares MSCI. We've also got another leveraged UBR, so you can look at all of those longs in comparison. So here's the new ones, BRAZ, BRF. So see their risk rewards are pretty similar, although BRF has a significantly higher risk reward bottom to top. 52-week, pretty similar. See, they're pretty close to their 52-week lows. It looks like they bounced up a little bit. Looks like these performed slightly differently, so we'd want to look at their composition under the covers to see what those differences are. So if we look at BRAZ first in FINVIZ, so it looks pretty choppy, lightly traded. Looks like it pays a dividend, maybe semi-annually. AUM's very small. Volume, again, very small, so it's going to be very choppy. Dividend about 4%, not optionable. Looks pretty diversified. Petrobras, so oil. Banks, Vale, they're mining. Some banks. So again, looks pretty diversified. This is based actively managed fund, so it doesn't look like it's based on one of those indices. Looks like it's actively managed. So again, performance been pretty negative. Looks like it's close to the bottom. It's relatively new. It's got pretty good risk reward. Again, relatively new, pretty thinly traded. So again, potentially choppy. We look at the other one, BRF. Annex small cap Brazil. Again, looks pretty thinly traded, choppy. You can see that multiple bottom. See, it's been trending down. Still, again, relatively small AUM, pretty light, pretty light trading. This pays a 6.5% dividend. This one is optionable. Again, pretty diversified. Copper. So again, this is small cap Brazil. This is based on the MVIS Brazil Small Cap Index. So again, if you think maybe small caps may outperform larger companies that we saw in BRAZ, looks like, in the longer term, it has. Shorter term, they've been pretty consistent. Again, that one's pretty close to its 52-week low. But again, we see BRZU, which is the leveraged long on the MSCI, has the best current risk reward, best 52-week risk reward, but not bottom to top. This BRF has a better bottom to top. Let's see how long it's been around. So it's been around for a while, pretty close to its bottom. So this BRF, it's been around quite a while. So again, that may be positive if, again, you think small caps in Brazil may turn around, may outperform larger caps. This BRF may be one that you find attractive. And if you want to trade a broader Brazil market, EWZ is the unleveraged. See, it's got a little bit better than some of the others. Pretty good bottom to top. And BRZU is the leverage. So those are the two we have in our main sheet for Brazil. We've got the one short and then the BRZU leveraged, EWZ non-leveraged. So again, love to hear your further input into what do you think of these two new Brazilian ETFs, BRAZ, BRF, comparison to some of the others that we've had. What do you think the best ETFs are to trade Brazil? What do you think? Do you think the Brazilian markets have bottomed? Is it a good time to go long an ETF in Brazil? And if so, do you like EWZ or BRZU as a way to trade long Brazil? So again, we'd love to hear your comments in the comments below in our Discord, etc. Do you think Brazil is a good opportunity? While we're talking, I want to I'll bring up another commentary that I investigated relative to Brazil. Let me grab a drink a sec. Just a couple other quick updates to our main sheet as I added USO, which is the United States Oil Fund. This is just a non-leveraged long on oil. I learned that USOI, which is that monthly dividend payer on oil, is not directly based on WTI crude price, but it's based on this USO, and it's not directly based on the futures, but this USO is. So we're looking for a bottom in USOI. I'm looking for a bottom or support in USO and not directly in the crude futures. So I added that to our main sheet. I'll come back to these other two new ETFs that were mentioned in a recent video by ETF Guide, and we'll do an analysis of those in the future. But again, you can find our research on those two new ETFs, and you can now track them in the research tab in our research sheet of our ETFs Google Sheet. So again, part of this whole thesis of whether Brazil was going to be a good market to trade is I asked ChatGPT some questions, starting with Brazil. So I asked, what will be the effect of a second Trump presidency have on markets in Brazil? So I put the link to ChatGPT's answer in the notes so you can read this in more detail. Got some subsequent questions, so a lot more detail. So would likely influence in Brazil's market in several ways. Commodities typically lean towards pro-energy, pro-mining. So that's good for Brazil's commodity markets. So like we saw Petrobras and that BRAZ, etc., minor and Vale, trade and tariffs. So tariffs on China, they think might benefit Brazil as an alternate supplier for Chinese agricultural imports. Currency and interest rates, pressure on the dollar, weaker dollar could strengthen emerging markets, but we saw, the dollar was going up, so that's actually a negative for emerging markets. Foreign investment, climate and environment policy. So Trump's policies tend to be less restrictive. So less pressure on Brazil to curb forestation. So again, possibly positive for some of the Brazilian benefits. So there could be near-term benefits for Brazil's commodity trade and possibly currency stability. So again, a second Trump presidency seems to potentially benefit Brazilian markets. So another reason we may want to continue looking at Brazil. So I also followed that question up with some other related questions, so like what other countries would benefit from a second Trump presidency and what markets may suffer. So I may have to put the links to those follow-up conversations in our notes. So I'm not sure why it didn't follow that up in the direct link in the notes, but I'll try to follow that up. And if I need to add additional links in the notes, I'll do that after we're done today. So again, I thought this was useful to find other global markets that might benefit from a second Trump presidency, avoid markets that might be hurt by a second Trump presidency, and combined with our global indices tool, and our ETFs Google Sheet, we can find potential opportunities in those global markets.
The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.